Good morning readers. I, Harish Budhu, warmly welcome you to my channel. Learn as much as possible from my handwritten articles. This 17th of November 2020 opinion paper. Refer the Speaker's case to the Supreme Court. We do not know why member of the Legislative Assembly Shakeel Mohamed was suspended for 5 sittings. Leader of the opposition wants to make an omelette but does not want to break eggs. He should ask Prime Minister to sue him for 1 rupee. Warm greetings. Welcome to this 17th of November 2020 opinion paper. It will address 4 of the main topical issues. Standard caution stands good. Bon lecture. Special thanks to all those who will share today's article with their friends. B. Apology. A small spelling mistake on page 8, 4th line, went unnoticed. We had written brief instead of briefly. Only 1 out of 11 people who had contacted us this morning discovered it. We are sorry. That said, mistakes happen. They are eyesores. But once discovered, they should be admitted and immediately corrected. C. Appeal. 1. Our administrators daily spend a lot of time, energy and effort to post the article on YouTube. They type it and then process it on the software. A lady reads it. 2. We will strongly recommend you all to listen to it. Students will benefit greatly. But all our Facebook readers can be YouTube subscribers. But that without any costs. It is free. Even then, the painful truth is that not many of you listen. Small wonder that at times we are discouraged. Anyway, here is yet another fresh appeal. Be a YouTube subscriber. It is free. Thanks a lot to all those who will act on that sound advice. Please. D. Students' Corner. First, we had highlighted 23 English expressions for you all yesterday. Second, here under our bit 17, which we had hurriedly written down in our diary this early morning, whilst listening to the British Broadcasting Corporation World News. It is another history-making moment. Fighting has intensified. Civilians have been attacked by both sides. Harbor doubts and skepticism. He breathed a sigh of relief. He was put under surveillance for 4 years. Keaton unlocked the door in our blood cells. Bite the hands that feed you. Made an appeal to unity and calm. Described the situation as a living hell for children. More are being killed than injured. Resigned after widespread protests. To agree to a mediation process. Carried out a law enforcement operation. Recovery program has been thrown into disarray. Scientists will provide a way out of the coronavirus. Innovative technology. A week is a long time in politics. Restrictions came into force. Third, so I have learned some new English expressions. I have also acquired some knowledge of world affairs. But be careful. I do not just sit down and listen to the British Broadcasting Corporation only. I do many other activities, whilst the radio is on. And time permitting, I write down some phrases. E. Observations on today's National Assembly proceedings. There are 5. First, I feel proud when I hear the national anthem. I had introduced it in 1982, inside the National Assembly. Second, I had also introduced the national flag. However, some time ago, I spoke to the Speaker. There should be more imposing ones. They will create an aura of sanctity and serenity. Nothing was done. Alas. Third, the private notice question now seems to be the affair or property of the Labour Party only. It would appear that the movement militant Mauritian has distanced itself from the Labour Party in the private notice questions. If not, a supplementary question from Reza Atim would have carried more weight. Paul Berenger's dead silence speaks volumes. Guess why? Damaging split within the Labour movement militant Mauritian Party militant Socialist Democrat Alliance. Fourth, we do not know the real reasons why Shakeel Mohamed has been suspended for 5 sittings. In India, the Supreme Court would have heard the case on the same day. It is time for our Supreme Court to assume its full responsibility. I know one thing, Mauritians always feel sympathy for the underdog. 5th, the leader of the opposition, was once more, for the umpteenth time, challenged by the Prime Minister, to repeat his allegations outside the National Assembly. We voiced our views last week. Dr. Arvind Bulel should, in turn, have invited the Prime Minister at 3 p.m. outside the House, on the street and repeated all his allegations. And invited the Prime Minister to sue him for moral damages for only 1 rupee. And the case should be heard within 1 week. Alas, Dr. Bulel wants to make an omelette without breaking eggs. Let him burn the candle at both ends. Keep reading, keep learning. Like and subscribe for more thrilling articles. Thank you for watching.